students, welcome back to my lectures of class 10th physics. In the previous video we have seen about the rules of image formation by convex lenses. Now here we have another video, that is the image formation by convex lenses. Now we will use those rules and we will draw the image formation. Now these image formation for convex lens, they are same as we have studied in case of concave mirrors. Now remember here one thing, whatever we have studied in case of concave mirrors, the same is here in case of the convex lens. So there it was concave mirror and here it is convex lens. So here we will see first three cases in this video. So the case first. Okay, in case of convex lens, we can have the object at different positions. So the first of all we will consider that the object is at इनफाइनाइट पे ऑब्जेक्ट है तो उसके लिए हम रे डायग्राम ड्रॉ कर देंगे कि वहां पर इमेज कहां पर फॉर्म होगी. सो केस फर्स्ट, ऑब्जेक्ट इज एट इनफाइनाइट. ऑब्जेक्ट इनफाइनाइट पर है. लेट अस ड्रॉ द लेंस. दिस इज द प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस x dash. This is the aperture where we are assuming that the refraction will take place from the aperture. This is the optical center. Either you can represent it by O or C. Now here we have, this is the second principal focus f2. This is the first principal focus f1. Now the object is at infinite. Now how to represent the object is at infinite or the light rays, they are coming from the infinite, how they are represented? It is simply represented by the parallel light rays. So if I draw parallel light rays which are parallel to each other and even parallel to the principal axis, then that represents that the object is at infinite. So let us draw the parallel light rays, this light ray and this light. And whenever you are drawing these ray diagrams, these arrows are very important because they represent that from where the light rays are coming. So here if the light rays are coming from infinite, that is they are parallel to each other, it means that the object is placed at infinite. Now here we will use the rule number first. Now what that rule number first says, it says that if a light ray is parallel to principal axis, then after refraction it passes through the principal focus, or you can say passes through first principal focus. So here this first light ray, after refraction it will pass through the first principal focus here. Similarly the second one, it will also pass through the first principal focus. So here you can see that the light rays after refraction, they are meeting at the first principal focus. So you can say the image formed will be at the first principal focus. And you can see here that the light rays are actually meeting at that point. मतलब यहाँ पर जो image बनेगी, that will be real, and a real image is always inverted. तो image के बारे में जो characteristics है वो हमको यहाँ पर लिखने पड़ेंगे. So let us see the characteristics of the image formed. So here the characteristics of the image, the first one is the position. It means where the image is being formed. So here in this case the image is formed on the first principal focus. So you can write at f1 on the other side of lens. You have to mention it that it is forming on the other side of the lens, because if the object is kept on this side, then the image will be formed on the other side, that is at the first principal focus. So at f1 on the other side of the lens. Next is size. अगर यहाँ पर object infinite पे था तो उसकी size क्या थी, बहुत ज़्यादा बड़ी थी. And here when the image is formed, it is forming on the principal axis in the point form. So you can say this image is highly diminished. मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा छोटी image बन रही है. So I can write it as highly diminished. Okay, now what about the nature? Nature means whether the image formed is real or virtual. So here the light rays, they are actually meeting at that point. मतलब यहाँ पर जो image बन रही है वो क्या हो रही है, real बन रही है. So we can say it's a real image, and the real image is always inverted. So it is real and inverted. Okay, so this is the case when the object is placed at infinite. In that case the image is formed at the principal focus, it is highly diminished, and it is real and inverted. Now let us consider the case second, where the object is kept beyond 2f2. Now what this 2f2 is, like we have the center of curvature. जो center of curvature होता है, it is always the twice as that of the focal length. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पर हम so in case of the mirrors we were representing it by center of curvature, that is C, and here the same center of curvature is represented by 2f2 because this point is twice as that of f2. That's why we have represented it as 2f2. Okay, now in the first case the object was kept at infinite. Now here in this case we'll move the object towards the lens, that is beyond 2f2. 2f2 के हम थोड़ा सा इधर यहाँ पर हमारा ऑब्जेक्ट रख देते हैं. It is point A and it is point B. Okay, now we will use the rule number first. What is the rule number first? If a light ray is parallel to principal axis, then after refraction it passes through the first principal focus. क्या होगा यहाँ पर? This is the light ray which is parallel to principal axis, and after refraction it passes through the first principal focus. Okay, now here we will use the second rule. You can also use the third rule. I am using the rule number second. What it says that if a ray of light is passing through the optical center, then it remains undeviated. तो यहाँ पर भी हम क्या करेंगे, जो लाइट रे है इसको ऑप्टिकल सेंटर से पास करेंगे. Okay, so here it will pass undeviated. There will not be any refraction in that ray which is passing through optical center. So here the point object, that is A, and here its image will be at this point, that will be A dash, and for point B, that point B will lie on the principal axis. So here if I draw perpendicular line, then this point will be B dash, and this will be the image for the object A B. Okay, now here we have to write the characteristics. The first one is the position. What is the position of the image formed? Image कहाँ पर बनी है? You can see the image is formed between f1 and 2f1. So here the position of the image, that you can write it as between f1 and 2f1. You can write on the other side of lens. Okay, now what about the size? इसकी size कितनी है? Here if you will see, the size of the object is greater, but here the size of the image will be smaller. कहीं ना कहीं वो जो image है वो object से छोटी बनेगी. So we can write smaller than object, or we can write diminished. Image क्या बनती है? छोटी बनती है. Now what about the nature? Here the image is formed inverted, or you can say the image is formed when the light rays are actually meeting at a point. तो जब भी light rays actually meet करती है, image कौन सी होती है वहां पर? That is real, and a real image is always inverted. तो यहाँ पर जो नेचर होगा इमेज का, that will be real and inverted. So in this way we can draw the ray diagram when the object is kept beyond 2f2. Okay, now the next case is when the object is kept at 2f2. अभी हमने कहाँ रखा था? Beyond 2f2. Here you can see we are moving the object from infinite towards the lens. So here now we'll keep the object at 2f2. Remember here one thing, whenever you are marking all these points, these should be marked exactly, or you can say this distance OF1 should be equals to OF2, and this 2f2 from point O should be exactly twice as that of OF2, and this O2f2 should be equals to O2f1. In that case only you will get the exact ray diagrams. Okay, so here the third case is when the object is kept at 2f2. So let us keep the object at 2f2. This is A and this is B. We will use rule number first. If a ray of light is parallel to principal axis, then after refraction it passes through the principal focus. That is the first principal focus. Here we will use again the rule number second, that is if a ray of light passes through optical center it remains undeviated. तो यहाँ से optical center से pass हुआ, and then here it will move, it will meet at this point. Okay, so the image here is for point A and we will mark it as A dash. When we will draw point B, so here this will be the point B dash. So here in this case where the image is formed, the image is formed at 2f1, and you can see the light rays, they are actually meeting at a point. So image क्या है? Rear image. Now here we can write the characteristics based on this ray diagram. Here what will be the position? The position will be at 2f1. You can write on the other side of lens What about the size? You can see here the size of the object and size of the image, they are exactly same. So you can write same as that of object. Okay, here you can see in the first case when the object was at infinite, उसके लिए इमेज बहुत छोटी बन रही थी. उसके बाद जब हमने बियॉन्ड 2f2 रखा तब थोड़ी जो इमेज की साइज है वो बढ़ गई. यहाँ पर वो एग्जैक्टली ऑब्जेक्ट की जो साइज है उसके बराबर हो गई. मतलब यहाँ पर धीरे धीरे जो इमेज की साइज है वो क्या हो रही है, बढ़ रही है. ओके, नाउ हियर व्हाट अबाउट द नेचर? द लाइट रे दे आर एक्चुअली मीटिंग एट अ पॉइंट. मतलब यहाँ पर इमेज कौन सी बनेगी? इट इज रियल इमेज. सो वी कैन राइट a real image is always inverted, so it will be real and inverted. Okay, so in this way we can draw the image formation for the three cases. The first one when the object is infinite, the second one when the object is beyond 2f2, and the third case when the object is at 2f2. And the next three cases we will see in the next video.